Ladies and gentlemen, Barry C here with another cryptocurrency video, and we are so close to the biggest bull run we've ever seen, and XRP is absolutely going to dominate this bull run. Now, for those of you who've been listening to me for a while, you know that I've been saying from August onwards is when the market starts going up slowly but surely. We're seeing that right now. We're recovering from the recent market crash. Well, it's more of a dip, but let's say crash. It's slowly but surely going up. We're starting to see certain cryptos start doing the little pumps. It's not really the same magnitude that we can expect in this upcoming bull run, but it's the start of exciting things. When you start seeing individual altcoins start moving rapidly in the course of a 24-hour period, that's when you know you're on the cusp of a massive bull run. And we're going to see that play out in a massive way come October, November, and December. And we're going to see XRP absolutely skyrocket. Now, here's the thing, ladies and gents. I see a lot of people talking about the bull run already being over. The bull run will be over in November. And look, now this is the perspective of someone who's been in crypto since 2016. I've seen two bull runs before. And I'm basing my approach to this bull run on the previous two bull runs. I mean, that makes the most sense to me. I've seen some people say, well, you can't make any assumptions that this bull run is going to play out like the last two. And let's be honest, the last two bull runs were almost identical. So if you have a plan based on what's happened previously, that's a pretty good starting point. Now, here's the thing as well. I went back and had a look at my take profit points in the last two bull runs. And in 2017, heading into 2018, the take profit points were October, November, December. In 2020, heading into 2021, the take profit points were October, November, December. Now, interestingly as well, with the last two bull runs, XRP skyrocketed the next year. So towards the end of the bull run. And it skyrocketed pretty hard. I would almost argue that it was one of the best performing assets in the bull run. In 2017, heading into 2018, XRP went from 0.006 to $3 a coin. In 2020 into 2021, XRP went from 19 cents to $1.65. That's pretty amazing. That's a remarkable return on your investment in just a year or less than a year. And it wouldn't surprise me if we saw the exact same thing play out this time around. For me, I'm looking at October, November, December as the take profit periods that don't involve XRP. Now, if we get an XRP ETF in January of 2025, then I could easily see XRP going to $15, $20. Now, that would be XRP going from 50 cents or 60 cents around now to around $15, $20 next year. And once again, that's how the other bull runs are played out. That's my plan, especially if we have an XRP ETF. Now, do I think that XRP could skyrocket sooner? Absolutely. And I'm prepared. But I think if you have that baseline plan, if you go into it thinking, okay, October, November, December should be pretty amazing. We're talking 100x's, 1000x's for other altcoins. If we look at next year after the ETF for XRP, if that's when we're thinking of taking some profits around February or March, that's also a very good plan. So if that's your baseline, then you're not going to be caught unprepared. So if something else changes rapidly, you've already accumulated and you've split up your XRP bags and your other cryptos that maybe you're looking taking profits out of. You've made the necessary preparations to take profit on that initial timeline. So if something changes rapidly, you're prepared. And this is where I see a lot of people making a lot of big mistakes. Every bull run, they're making what I'm calling the 4-year mistake. And what they do is they wait until price action has already happened, because then they feel confident and validated in the price action of that particular crypto. Then they want to get into it and they expect the market to do another 100x. And that's how they buy the top. And that's how they end up becoming disillusioned or disenfranchised about crypto. And that's exactly what's happened with XRP in 2018. And that's exactly what happened with XRP in 2021. People could see where XRP went from 0.006 to $3 or 19 cents to $1.65. And suddenly they wanted XRP. They're like, wow, look at that explosive price action. I can see very clearly how the price has unfolded. I want in. And then they expect XRP to do another 100x from the $3 point or the $1.65 point. And then they're not willing to hold on for another 4 years because that's the way the market unfolds. That's the way the post-Bitcoin halving bull runs typically work. And that's how XRP has kind of worked since 2017. XRP's been on that 4-year cycle. Now, maybe an ETF may disrupt that. Maybe mass adoption and a utility run and being adopted into the banking and financial systems, that will probably upend and drag XRP out of the 4-year cycle. Those are all possibilities. But until we see that happening, once again, having that safe bet is looking at how the last 2 bull runs are played out and having that plan going into this bull run. Now, what I'll also say is a lot of people have been saying, well, like you're kind of saying the same thing. I'm saying these things now because what typically happens is that people get to the height of a bull run when everything's doing 100x's and 1000x's, and then they make their content. And they make the type of content where they're like, see, this is my portfolio and you could have done this amazing amount of money and profits if you just got in when I got in. That doesn't help anyone. The content helps people now. And so if I'm saying to you that these are my time frames, my timelines, this is where I can see the prices going, and if I'm saying these things now, it's because this is when it helps. It's not going to help anyone at the end of the bull run when XRP's gone to $10, $15, $20. That's conservative, by the way. Maybe it goes higher. But there's no point getting to the end of that bull run and going, see, you should have looked at XRP in 2024. You should have started accumulating. That doesn't help anybody after the fact. So that's why I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm making the content now. I'm showing you the crypto mindset that's been prevalent since every bull run, since 2016. And it's going to be the exact same thing this time around. People are going to make the same mistakes. And the way to not make that mistake is be prepared, have a plan. Even if this is your first day in crypto and you've been eyeing off XRP, not financial advice, but it's an amazing, remarkable opportunity to get into XRP below $1 before things start getting crazy, before you start seeing the crypto bull run kick in, before October, November, December, because once it starts kicking in for about a 6-month period, the majority of crypto, including XRP, will be way too expensive to buy. Now, ladies and gents, as I said, not financial advice. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're curious about the other cryptos I hold outside of XRP, consider becoming a patron. Click the link in the description below, head across to my Patreon page, and consider becoming a Barry C VIP. Because there you'll have access to all the cryptos I hold, my portfolios, as well as my buy, my sell, and my take profit signals in real time.